Today we're going to talk about planting our Christmas potatoes. First of all, we will need to do the chitting process, which means formation of shoots. This is what we will be looking for. The longer shoots can be taken off, and we can wait for suitable shoots to appear, which will make them ready for planting. We have some varieties here which we sell. Some we can are more suited for containers than others, which we can use a potato bag or any container will do. Fill the container to 10 centimetres, lay your tubers on the compost and add a further 10 centimetres of compost. Once the shoots have risen above the compost by 10 centimetres, add a further 5 centimetres of compost and keep doing that until you reach the top of the bag. Once the foliage turns yellow, they will be ready for harvest.